ECKOLD Services. We offer much more than just joining technology. Feasibility analysis for clinching tasks are part and parcel of what we do on a daily basis. They enable us to fully understand the requirements of our customers. Our lab provides us with the relevant information regarding materials and their properties. Whatever the needs of our customers, we are in a position to identify the best possible clinching tool combinations and configurations. To do this, we perform tests with original parts and determine the optimum parameters for the clinching task at hand. Our experts specialize in devising customized technical solutions for any type of joining task. ECKOLD is proud of its competencies that cover everything from the development, design and production of machines to software programming and process automation. We assist our customers during commissioning and the run-in phase of their new equipment. Our excellent customer service ensures smooth operation of our plants and machines, wherever they are in the world. We constantly gain new insights and use them to optimize our products. Process monitoring systems document all machine processes as well as the quality of the joints. Our highly skilled technical staff make sure that new production units are working properly from the very start. We also train technology managers, maintenance staff and machine operators in the proper handling of our products. What can we do for you today?